5 paddles for 5 different types of players. The player who wants the softest, most forgiving control paddle on the market. The aggressive 4.0 plus player who needs power and spin at the kitchen. The all-court player who wants raw performance from a proven pro tour paddle. The beginner or intermediate player who wants a wide sweet spot and an easy upgrade. And the player who wants both sides of the game covered in one dual surface design. Links in the description. Let's get into it. The LUXX control is the paddle that changed what control pickleball looks like. The 20mm polypropylene honeycomb core, the thickest available in any performance paddle, absorbs the kinetic energy of incoming shots and gives you a level of dwell time that makes resets, dinks, and kitchen exchanges feel effortless. When your opponent drives the ball at you, the LUXX catches it rather than popping it back, which is the entire point. The Infinigrit carbon fiber face maintains textured spin generation over the life of the paddle. The aerodynamic throat cutout reduces weight and improves maneuverability without compromising the oversized sweet spot. USA PA approved. That is link 1 in the description. Tap it right now. Subscribe to Unbox Daily, the best pickleball gear and product reviews every single day. The SLK Era Power is the paddle released in 2025 that quickly became one of Selkirk's best sellers, and it earns that position by striking a balance that most paddles at this price miss. A thermoformed carbon fiber construction delivers the pop and power that aggressive baseline players want, while the 16mm Rev Core plus polymer core maintains enough control for kitchen exchanges to feel manageable. The ERA line sits between the all-court accessibility of the SLK Halo series and the Pro Tier LUXX, making it the right step up for a 3.5 to 4.0 player who has outgrown a beginner paddle and wants genuine all-court performance. An Infinigrit carbon face delivers consistent spin. The elongated shape supports two-handed backhand players. USA PA approved. The JOOLA Pro IV series is the paddle family that Ben Johns, the world's #1 pickleball player, helped develop, and the Pro 4 generation delivers his signature combination of explosive power, high spin generation, and responsive feedback at the kitchen line. The propulsion core thermoformed construction returns energy to the ball efficiently, making it noticeably easier to generate pace with less physical effort than older paddle generations. The carbon friction surface face bites the ball aggressively for topspin drives and slice drop shots. In hand battles at the net, the Pro 4 transitions seamlessly from speed-ups to dinks, a quality that slower response paddles struggle to deliver. That is link 3 in the description. Tap it now. The SLK Latitude. 13mm is the paddle for the beginner to intermediate player who wants a forgiving, wide-body design with a genuinely large sweet spot and a comfortable grip at an accessible price. The wide-body shape, 8.25 inches wide, pushes the sweet spot toward the edges for a more forgiving hit, even when you miss the center. The 13mm Rev Core plus polymer core provides enough thickness to dampen vibration and absorb pace at the kitchen line while still generating enough pop for comfortable baseline rallies. The G4 graphite face with SpinFlex texture delivers consistent response and spin without the learning curve of carbon fiber faces. A 5.25-inch handle supports two-handed backhand players. That is link 4 in the description. Tap it now. The JOOLA Double Vision is the paddle with a genuinely unique feature. 2 different surfaces on the same paddle. One face uses a soft carbon fiber texture optimized for control, dinking, and resets at the kitchen line. Flip the paddle and the other face uses JOOLA's carbon friction surface, optimized for topspin drives and power from the baseline. For players who are still developing and exploring which aspects of the game suit them, or for players who want to run drills that isolate control versus power work, the Double Vision lets you switch without switching paddles. The 14mm polymer honeycomb core sits in a balanced middle ground between pop and control. That is link 5 in the description, the last one. Tap it now. Subscribe to Unbox Daily right now. We cover the best pickleball gear every single day and you do not want to miss what is coming next. The most forgiving control paddle with the LUXX control. The best mid-range all-court performer with the SLK ERA power. Pro Tour power and spin with the JOOLA Pro IV. The most beginner-friendly upgrade with the SLK Latitude 13mm. And the most versatile dual-surface training paddle with the JOOLA Double Vision. All 5 links are in the description. I will catch you in the next one.